Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi and welcome. So as you guys just seen, I just installed this wig. This wig was sent over from IDefine. As you've seen, I gave you guys a lot of close-ups of the construction. You also seen me install. Yeah, the only thing I did off camera was use my wax stick and just go through and hot comb it down. Yeah, but for the most part, what you typically do with your lace units is what you would do with this one. I didn't find this one to be no different, no more difficult or trying than the next. You definitely could bleach these knots if you want. You saw me show you guys my lace tint. That's just what I chose to do, just because of time and stuff like that. And for the most part, I just only have, hold on. Okay, so I chose to do the lace tint just because I just have this one little part here, and yeah, so that was just the method I chose to use because it was just quicker. And yeah. But you definitely could bleach the knots. I definitely don't see this unit having an issue with taking bleach at all. Yeah, so I have a 6-inch Pixie cut 1B unit from IDefine, and this is how it looks really straight out the box. I just bumped it up a little bit. You didn't need to. I did, but you definitely don't have to. This was just a really easy, straightforward type of unit and install. Definitely can DIY this yourself at home to save you time and money. On top of saving time and money, their site is so easy to navigate that I don't feel like it would take you a lot of time just to scroll through to see what it is that you like. Speaking of saving money, they are very affordable in my opinion. I do a lot of wig reviews. If you scroll back through the years on my channel, I've done quite a few wig reviews, and they definitely fall into the bracket of being affordable. So very easy on the pocket. Website is very easy to navigate. They offer free worldwide shipping, y'all. They also offer free 30-day return and exchange. Okay, so like you can't even like go wrong with that. Free shipping, and you can exchange it. You can return it and exchange it if it does not hold up to your liking. If y'all go with this is what I have, so I can only speak for what I have in my possession. The quality of this unit is very, very nice. This hair is so soft. I am in love with the density of this. I love a short unit, believe it or not. I love that long hair, don't care, okay? But I love me a good short unit too. And they're not all made equal, because some of them can really be just skimpy and thin. But this one right here, this one has the perfect density. I definitely don't feel like if you went the route I did and chose this, you will not be disappointed. I highly will recommend this one. Yeah, I like this unit. I like it a lot. It's very soft, and it was just easy to install. It's quick to install too, because it's short hair. You don't have to like do much. You could just bump it up and go. Yeah, I'm trying to think what else can I tell y'all about this. I really like this. Like, I really like this unit. I think you guys would too. They are offering you guys a discount code, so check down in the description box down below. It's a link to their site, a link with all the information for your discount when you go to checkout. Remember, worldwide shipping is free. You're not going to pay for shipping, so that is dope. We loving the deals, okay? We loving the deals. So I definitely want to thank IDefine for looking out for y'all, okay? Looking out for y'all. Y'all able to save some money. And if you saw how I installed it, it's very simple and straightforward, so you definitely can save yourself some time as well by doing this yourself at home. I love it. A nice little short look for the summer too. So Be sure to check out the description box down below. I want to thank IDefine for sponsoring today's video. I want to also thank them for looking out for y'all with these discount codes, this worldwide shipping being free. Y'all able to return it and exchange it if you don't like it. Like, I just like the perks that they're throwing out for y'all. Okay, so be sure to check them out. I want to thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in my next one. Bye.